Number 30, we have to determine whether these three, they are dependent or independent or neither. I'm going to create a 3x4 argument regarding to the system of the equation here. So I write down the 1, 1, negative 2, a. 3, there's no y, so I put a 0, 1, and negative 6. 2, negative 1, 3, negative 14. And then I go to the second matrix to create a 3x4 matrices. And once you have that matrix created, you second quit from the matrix, right? And then use second matrix. Click on that one more time and move to the added. And then you go down to find the RREF. Then you pull out the matrix A. So that means you give the order to the calculate to find the row echelon by using the matrix A. And the result, after they run the REF, it gives us the result is 1. This is X. So X, okay, let me write down the Y and Z. So the result gives us X plus 1 over 3Z is equal to 0. Y minus 7 over 3Z is equal to 0. The last row is 0 equal 0. So this is true. That means Z is equal to Z. Because I give the variable on the third column is a Z. So now Z is equal to Z. X rely on Z. Y is rely on Z. So they are dependent. Number 31, you solve for the equation. If the system is dependent, express solution in terms of the parameter Z. So this one, again, if you have the TI graphing calculate, use the matrices to create a 3x4 argument. So you have the 1, 1, 1, negative 7. When you create the matrices, there's no vertical line you will see on the graphing calculate. Okay? And 1, negative 1, 4, and negative 9, 5, 1, 1, and negative 19. So this is 3x4. Once you have the 3x4 matrices stored in your calculate, now we go pull out the matrix A doing the RREF. If you don't know how to find the RREF, just go to the YouTube, type in the keyword how to find the RREF with the matrices. Okay, so you will see the ton of the video tutorial, and I believe I have posted the video on your 6.3 to show you how to use the graphing calculator finding the REF. If not, just email me and let me know. I will send you the link. Okay, now after the REF, I run it. It give the result is 1, 0, 0, negative 3, 0, 1, 0, negative 2, and a 0, 0, 1, negative 2. So the result here tell us x equal negative 3, y equal negative 2, and z equal negative 2. So you should go with the option D. Number 32, use Gaussian-Jordan method to solve the system of equation. Okay. Our test, there are multiple choice. So some of the question, they give the order and ask you to solve by certain way. In that case, since the answer is a multiple choice, I will just go with the REF to solve it because that's as I mentioned earlier, that is the most convenient and the fast way to find your XYZW. So there's no necessary to use the Gaussian-Jordan method. Okay, I hope you get my hint to work on the question like this. So I'm going to just go with the REF. So I'm going to create the 3 by 4. So I write down the 1, -1, 2, and a 9, 2, 0, 1, and 4. 1, 4, 1, 0. So you create a 3 by 4 matrix. On your second matrix, move to the edit, and you can create this matrix under A or under B. Okay. When you finish the matrix setup, after you store the matrix, you second quit, go back to the front page, and then you click on second matrix, and then go to math, go down to find the RREF. Once you have the RREF ready, you hit the bottom, and then you go to pull out second matrix, go with the matrix A, and then hit the enter key. So with the 32, it will give us 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, -1, 0, 0, 1, and a 4. So the solution here gives us the information x equals 0, y equals -1, and the z equals 4. So you have 0, -1, 4. So you should go with the D. Number 33. Alan invests a total of $20,500 in 3 different ways. He invests one part in a mutual fund, which in the first year has the return of 11%. So let me write down the mutual fund. Let me set this one is X. So this one comes with 11%. He invests the second part in government bond. So government bond, I'm going to let this is equal Y. So with the government bond at 7% per year. The third part he puts in the bank. So bank, I'm going to set this as a Z. So with the investment with the bank has 5% per year. He invests twice as much in mutual fund as in the bank. Okay, the keyword is this one. We'll go back to release part. Release part. Sorry, I talk a lot today. I create a lot of lecturing, so I'm kind of like losing my voice. Alright, so the first year, Alan's investment bring a total return of 1,645. How much did he invest in each way? Okay, so we have the unknown XYZ. So we need to create the equation at least in order to solve for XYZ. So from the first sentence, it gives us the information. Alan invests totals $20,500. So that means the mutual bond plus government bond plus money put in the bank, the total amount would be $20,500. Second equation is from the interest, the total interest from each of his investment. So the mutual fund, it has 11%. So 11% is equal 0.11. Multiply with the principal or multiply with the amount he invests with the mutual fund. So that would be the 0.11x. That would be the interest money he will earn. Plus 7%, that means the 0.07 that invests with the government bond. So multiply with y. And the money put in the bank has a 5% of the interest rate, so 0.05 multiplied by z. And the total interest money has 1,645. The third equation is here. He invests twice mutual fund as in the bank. So he invests twice as much as the mutual fund as in the bank. So twice of the mutual fund, right? Twice mutual fund is equal Z, right? So twice of the mutual fund is in the bank, as in the bank. I can rewrite this one into the equation. We will turn to 2x minus z equals 0. So now we have these three equations ready. I'm going to create a 3x4 matrix. So I put a 1, 1, 1, 2, 0, 500. 0.11, 0.07, 0.05 with 1605. 2, there's no y, I put a 0, and the z is -1 at 0. And then you go with the RREF. So the RREF, after the row reduction echelon, the calculation we have here, it turns to the 1, 0, 0, 7,000, 0, 1, 0, 10,000, and the 0, 0, 1 is 3,500. So that means Alan invests 7,000 with a mutual fund. He invests 10,000 with the bank, a government bond, and he invests 7,500 with the bank. And in total, with these three investments, he got 1,645 with the interest money. And this is the way you solve the application question like this. Alright, I'm going to stop here, and I will create another video start from number 34.